Tumwanchumurigera sorbo turonde huna njira yamo yogwikirania Kobwaterana okuya igati serikali ekaonti ya Kisii monensi ya India asamagacho AOAO nigo bono ensemo ya sector igati OBOREMI CHISEMI OBOCHENU nabo okoiyo kwegware nigo ritukoria rero omugavana bwa ekaonti ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Simbarati akoro Kobwaterana hamwe n'omukamishona omonene kurwa sensi ya India gocha sensi ya Kenya Adash Swaika imeyabisia ime omuchobo songo na gukwandra igoro yokobwaterana okokuya.
I want to take this opportunity to welcome the Ambassador, High Commissioner to India, who came to pay a courteous call to my office this afternoon. We've had a lengthy discussion with His Excellency, High Commissioner, in many fields, and we have shared what exactly is there in Kisii. This is his first time to be in Kisii here. Therefore, and he has told us so many of fields that we can cooperate. We're looking forward, and we're joined again with the, there are Indians, Kisii Indians, who have been here for long. Some of the faces you are seeing around. Therefore, who joined with us, and the High Commissioner will be here today and tomorrow, want to see what South Mugrango is doing. And I can see the area, a member of Tabaka is here. Is going to take him there to see what we are doing there. But we discussed along many fields on health, agriculture, on issues of waste management, and many other things that he will be able to highlight.
His Excellency, the Governor, for a very warm welcome. India-Kenya relationship is historically very strong, and when I come to different counties, and particularly in Kisii, I can see the very strong bonds reflected in the Kisii Indians, as the Governor mentioned. We did discuss a lot of issues which the Governor also mentioned, ranging from education, health, agriculture and agro-processing, and how to attract more Indian investments in a county which is very forward-looking. I have heard about what the Governor has been doing in this county, and I am sure that with his keen encouragement and facilitation, there would be Indian investors who will be looking at Kisii very positively. We already have some of Indian origin people who have invested in Kisii and become the backbone of Kisii. We want to see greater, stronger ties between India and Kisii, and